Are you also struggling to speak good English? No worries, because I've been there too. You're not alone. Stumbling over words, cross checking every other sentence you're processing in your mind, and wishing that you could speak fluently and confidently like others. I turned it around, and so can you. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Silent Anarchist. My name is Nikita, and today in this video, I'll be sharing some 5 super effective tricks that you can use to speak good and effective English. Whether you are a student or a professional who needs to communicate better, I'm going to tell you how you can practice good English and the way you can improve your English and your spoken English specifically. So let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So, first things first, start thinking in English. I know it sounds strange at first, but let me tell you, it really works. So, the process of its working is that when you think in your native language and then convert it into English, it makes your replies slower and your it takes time to process the conversion of that native language to English, and the translation takes time, and sometimes your vocabulary, grammar, and the other things get worsen up. So I would suggest that the phrases that you speak daily or the dialogues which you are speaking daily should be practiced mentally in your brain. So, like, I need to get some milk today, I need to practice these questions. Starts thinking in English, and then you are going to speak in English. So, your brain would get used to speak in English, and you would get comfortable in English. Your brain should be adapting to be comfortable in English, because you should be able to understand what the other person is saying in English, and then you are going to adapt the very same thing in your brain henceforth and then reply to it. So, whether you are a student or a professional, this really helps you to communicate in a better way and get better at conversations. So, one of the best ways to improve your spoken English is to practice daily, to speak out loud every single day. So, what you can do is stand in front of a mirror, or if there's no one to talk to, describe what you're seeing around. Like, I'm wearing a blue t-shirt today, there's a plant next to my table, and there's a window, and there's a tree outside the window. So, like, you can describe what you're seeing, and you're describing your surroundings, and you're using your senses as well. So your mind would be able to adapt to English very soon as possible, and try to be confident. If you're shy, start small, start with 5 minutes a day, and don't think that you're making mistakes. Don't forget to make the mistakes, because when someone is there to point out the mistakes you're making, be very grateful and thankful of them. Because I know it sounds like really preachy when someone corrects you and says there should be no am in your sentence, there should be no that, but sometimes you understand the importance of such grammatically smart and intelligent people who point out your grammatical errors. And the next thing is that start small. Watch and listen actively. Surround yourself with people who speak fluent English and the people who are trying to be better at English. So, the best thing you can do for this trick is watch English movies, you listen to English songs, or listen to English podcasts. So, when you are doing this, keep a track, keep a notebook, and start copying the words said by the different celebrities and their meanings, then the phrases which are used, and you will be able to keep yourself updated with the new English. That is, English is a very transformative language, and it keeps transforming and evolving in a better way. So you also need to evolve with it together. So I would suggest that you watch these kind of films and surround yourself with the people who are speaking way better than you are, because people learn with the people who are good at it. So if I want to learn science, I would be sitting with the people who are good at science, not history and civics. So this is the basic thing that I'm suggesting you. And trust me, this trick has helped not only me but also thousands of other people. So you should try this for sure. Speaking English fluently is a journey, not a race. So I would suggest that be consistent with these tricks and be confident the way you are speaking. And trust me, make mistakes, learn from them. There is no kind of hurry and there is no kind of trick that can help you to improve your English overnight. It comes with practice with consistency, not just like I'll practice it today and then you're practicing it after 3 months. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell icon too, so that you do not miss my upcoming videos. And comment down which trick you're using and what trick are you suggesting to my viewers and to me also. So bye bye guys, take care.